So aside from simply switching to pigs instead of rodents, which would ultimately yield better results because pigs are much, much closer to the genetic makeup of the human body, like with their brains, their nervous system, the vascular system. Aside from that, which is a more ethical solution to the problem, because scientists would still be able to learn probably more than they could from rats alone. But besides that, I think it would be much, much more ethical to rule out the use of animals completely. But the problem with that is there's a heavy opposition in the scientific and doctoral field, because many of those people feel as if it's wrong to test on humans, first of all, and that it is, there's so many great results that have come out of testing things like cures and surgeries on animals that it wouldn't be even close to right to rule out animal testing. So I found that schools like Yale, Stanford, Harvard don't use animals, and that there are many recent non-animal methods, such as computer simulators, which actually allow students to repeat the material until they are proficient and confident without distraction. So ultimately that would make students feel more comfortable. I know myself, I would. And but again, to oppose that, I found this organization called Protest, which is an organization formed in 2006 by a committee of students and scientists, developed to defend animal research. And so, that being said, there's a lot we can learn from using animals as test subjects, because it's always safer to, check first before you give something like a new drug to a human. But that also relates to education and my education, and I don't think it's fair for people to have to use these subjects like the animals for dissections and in-class studies and stuff. And I think if we can at least rule out that part, then that'll be quite a big benefit, and it would make the public a lot more comfortable, minimize waste, and just things like that. So yeah, I'm going to elaborate more in class, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me or comment.